तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू बढ़ता
Today I am going to tell you the story of
बढ़ता
Novel's
चल,
Academy.
तू बढ़ता चल।
I worked in the selection system and I left the selection system in November 2011. And I never had any idea of working in a coaching setup or guiding or coaching students for SSB. So when I worked in the selection system, uh, generally I used to be quite against all the coaching academies which were existing because, in my view, they were misguiding the students more than guiding them. And the impact of coaching was more towards the negative rather than positive. So it was something which I did not think that I will ever be entering. As things worked, I went and worked on a golf course for about a couple of years. And there, I got an opportunity to teach. It just so happened that I was working in a golf course in Hosur, Clover Greens, and next to us was Ashok Leyland's Management Development Center. And I just once met the director informally, and he just asked me that, can you teach personal effectiveness to our students? I said, sir, let me think about it. I took my time, and then, anyway, to cut a long story short, I started teaching there. And whatever I was teaching them was primarily based on the teachings of Stephen Covey, his very famous book, Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. I used that, and whatever I taught was fairly well received. And I taught students for about a couple of years when I was there. When I came back to Meerut from Hosur, that's my hometown, I didn't have any work. I tried some to work with some people, it didn't work out. Then an idea struck me that, while these coaching academies are doing this 10-15 days capsule, which in my view is not okay, why can I not evolve a system which is genuine, which helps the students, and it is unlike the coaching academies? The experiences I had was of SSB as also of working in the field of guiding students to enhance their personal effectiveness. So I clubbed these two things, and that is how No Frills Academy started in 2014 after I had come to Meerut, my hometown. Initially, I started through Facebook. I spent no money and I used to write blogs on personality related issues. I used to write things related to SSB. And the present book which we have, the practical guide to become an officer, the most of these parts, essays which are there in that were written during the initial phase of my working because there was hardly any students and I had plenty of time. And Facebook was the only source through which people came to know about me. So I started this No Frills Academy page. Uh, in due course, website came up. I had a student, Aviral. He said, "Sir, you don't have anything like website and all that." I said, "I have no clue." So he said, "Sir, I will make for you." So he made our first website. Then one day, one person, he was also a friend, a young boy who used to, we should train together in the gym. He said, "Why don't you write something on Quora?" I did not even know what this Quora forum is. Then I located it and I found that there were questions related to personality issues, SSB. I started writing there also. I think maybe 2015 or something I started writing there. Initial, was interesting of No Frills Academy. My first student was, I think, Shubham Mehta or it was Nupur Golani. One of them, I am unable to recollect correctly, it was one of them. Shubham is from Ghaziabad, and Nupur is the daughter of one of my course mates. He retired as a Air Vice Marshal. So his daughter was there, and we were course mates. He was a friend. He came to know that I started working in this line. So we had this trust and knowledge of each other. So his daughter was there. Interestingly, both these students qualified SSB. Nupur, I remember she told me that as per her, her major weakness was that she was soft spoken and she had a genial disposition, which she felt was a great hindrance in the GTO tasks where the other girls were shouting and all that. I convinced her that she need not make any changes in her nature. Actually, her nature was very good and she had no reason to change that. And we found out her shortcomings and we worked. Similarly for Shubham Mehta. This was the phase when I was, also learning. And we worked on the system of, taking on a student for longer period. I had not decided as to what should be the duration or something like that. Slowly, I came up with a template of 3 months. I had some students for 1 month. Some students came to me, they said, you just interview us, assess us, and tell us what are our shortcomings, and then we will take it on. I did that also. So, over a period of time, this methodology of this 3 months and 6 months kind of a thing evolved, and that is how we have been working. Changes have been coming in. As things progressed, we kept getting more students, and success was also reasonably good. Tarun, I remember as one of my interesting students. He was from Lucknow. He had quite a few shortcomings, and he had been trying for SSB for I think, good about 4 or 5 years. And we worked, and he was a very good student. Whatever I told him, he just abided by that. I could just mold him the way I felt. And we got results. In a matter of 4 or 5 months, this boy had reduced from some 90 kgs to 70 kgs, and his communication skill, his written work, his general knowledge, so many things improved, and within a matter of this time, he was able to clear his interview for TCS. He got placed there. He cleared his banking interviews and all that, got placed in SBI, and then we decided jointly that he should join bank rather than Coast Guard because he had family commitments and all that. And No Frills Academy, or rather my approach has always been that I guide an individual in a holistic manner rather than focusing only on the SSB. In fact, what I have always been doing is students come to me for SSB. I actually guide them to become more effective in their lives, and that works for SSB also. That is why we came up with this system that we keep not more than 5% focus on SSB, and the primary focus we keep on individuals' holistic development. This is how, in brief, the idea of No Frills Academy came up.
Okay, so I have one question. As you said that coaching academies are running capsule courses for 15 days, while if I compare that you are having a minimum 3 months course. So what do you have to say about that? Why are you keeping a minimum duration of 3 months for your courses?
Why I am doing that is this is a period I realized, once again on a trial and error basis. I had students clearing in 1 month also. But I felt, an individual to change his habits, develop some new habits, give up some old ones. Often it took him about 2-3 weeks in just about trying to understand what I'm trying to tell them. The impact of changing their lifestyle was not felt. Those who abided by this, they started feeling the impact in at times about a month or so. And then they got hooked on. They felt, yes, the results are coming. Somebody's, mother remarked or father remarked, I think you are changing little bit. And they felt that it is for the better. In fact, some of my students, their friend contacted us that, please guide us also, because I feel that this friend of mine has suddenly changed a lot for the better. So, through this trial and error, I found that 3 months was a reasonable time. 1 month for a person to settle down in a kind of a routine and then follow it, and thereafter, getting the impact of improvement, and thereafter getting success. That has been varying their durations, right from 1 month to 3 months to even 2 years. So that is how it is.